Okay. What does this do? What is that? No idea what you are doing. Hit the play or learn to play. How to play. New round start whenever you get recalled. After you press the button to activate room, you can read the rest. Okay, so right now we are in don't press the button. Yeeps. Let's go. Just got here. What's this? Okay. Wow. That just... This is gonna be cool. Wait, what? Cannons. My God. Don't have mask. Oh God. What? Oh my God. Well, that's fun. I think it's gone. Ready? Go. What does that do? What the? Are we getting reset? Come on. What does that do? Wait, somewhere. Find the button or die. No. I'm not good, I'm not good. I'm so dead. God, no, this has gotta be on this wall, come on. No, I died! Okay, well that was fun. Yeah, there's a lot of resetting. What did that do? Hang on. Bombs? Why the bomb? Wait, hold on. Oh, different bombs. Okay. That's cool. Down there. Tempted. Okay, reset again. How did I know? Anyways. Press again. Ooh, that activated something. What is it? Same thing? Please don't be the bombs again. Oh, the button or die. I did it? I found the button! Ready? And go! What is that activated? You're fun. Small? Why am I small? I'm small and I can't jump high. I'm heavy and slow. I'm heavy weapons guy. Oh my God. Reset. There we go. What does that do? And ooh, what did that do? Don't tell me it's the bombs again, not the bombs again. Oh, button or die. Oh, it was like... No. Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? It was... Not that one. Oh, I did it. Okay. Come on. What? Wildlife. What did it say? Did it say kill the wildlife or something? What do I do? Oh no, oh no, oh no. What do I do? Oh, do I hit them? Hit you. I'll hit you. Oh God, you're taking away my carton. Stop taking away my carton. I'll hit you again and again. Oh my God. How many of you are gonna spawn? Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out. Get out, stupid fucks. Get out. It's crazy. I need to add this. Well, yeah. Mini spleef. That's nice. Mini spleef. Let's try and get all these blocks, I guess. Dagger is nice. Oh God. Yep, that's spleef. That's spleef right there. But only real Sigmas survive on the whoa. Okay, that was funny as crap. But anyways, reset. I wonder where that goes. Hope. Look, pick color. Favorite color red. Let's go. Nothing goes wrong with red. Oh, orange. Thank God. Nothing ever goes wrong with red. You gotta be kidding. Okay, well, anyways, yeah, that's it. Don't press the button. The owner is Elite23VR. Shout out to him. This community world. Hold on. I'm a free daily donation. If you don't freely daily donation to this guy, you are, bro, who are you?